Okay, so you guys have been asking for it over and over again, having to do with me fixing your personal credit. Well, I'm not going to fix your personal credit, but I'm going to do something a little bit better than that. So listen up. My name is Monica Mann. I'm a serial entrepreneur and successful real estate investor. And over the years, I've become a credit master because I had to file for personal bankruptcy back in 2003. And as a real estate investor, I had to quickly think outside of the box to really fully understand how I can get money for my deals. And that opened up a whole new world for me as far as how to not only fix my personal credit and rebuild it quickly, but also enlighten me on the whole world of what we call corporate or business credit building. And so what I like to do for you is a free credit audit. But here's the deal. I have to do it not just for you, but for everybody else who's watching my YouTube channel. So for those of you that are really interested in me doing a 100% free credit audit for you, then listen up, because I'm going to share with you exactly what the details are as far as how you can work with me in that way. And I can actually share with you a 100% accurate and tested and proven action plan just for you to be able to reestablish and rebuild your personal credit. So buckle up your seatbelts, because here we go. Okay, so you guys have been asking me for months and months, ever since I started to launch my credit videos, asking me if I will fix your credit. I do not fix credit. I do have a software. It's an AI-based software that can help you fix your credit. It's a pretty low budget software, but it's well worth it. And you can get that in the description box below. It's called creditrepairthatworks.com. Again, creditrepairthatworks.com. And you can use that to help you fix your credit. But I'm willing to do something even better for you. So no, I do not fix people's credit. But what I can do is offer you a free credit audit. Here's the deal, though. Here's the rub. You have to be willing to give me a PDF of your credit report, your current credit report, and you have to be willing for me to roast you. Not really roast, but I'm wanting to help you, really. But I have to be willing to do, you have to be willing to allow me to do it here on YouTube, so that not only can I share with you what your personal action plan is going to be to fix and rebuild your personal credit, but also I could share with you with other people who might be going through the same thing as you with your credit. I will not include any personal details. I have to include your name, obviously, but I won't include your address and any other personal information. But I do have to share with other people exactly how the whole process of the credit audit works. So then that way, if they have a bankruptcy or a foreclosure or a repo or tax problems with the IRS or anything else that's on their credit report that's also on yours, they're going to learn how to get that stuff removed, as well as get an action plan on how to completely rebuild their credit, just like that. So if you're interested in this free credit audit, go to this website right here, or go to the description box below, and I will share with you exactly how you could follow 3 very simple steps to be able to allow me to audit your credit report for free. And I essentially give you in a YouTube video exactly how to fix and repair and rebuild your credit all at once in an action plan that I will create personally for you that other people can use to benefit from. So first things first, number one, I'm going to need your credit report. Okay, I recommend that you go to Experian.com, pay the $40, get all 3 credit reports in one, and then you'll download it as a PDF. Number 2, you will go to my website. This is the link right here. You can also go in the description box below, and you will then get instructions on getting me that PDF. Number 3, you will have to agree to allow me to utilize your credit report to show other people on YouTube exactly how to fix and rebuild credit based on your credit report. Again, I will not include any personal information or data or anything that will put you in harm's way or anything that will compromise you in any way. But I do have to do this to show other people, because how many times have you seen other people's situations that somebody else can help resolve, and you're like, oh, damn, I have a bankruptcy. I could utilize that information, or I have a repossession, or I have an IRS thing on my credit that I'd like to learn how to get off. And so if I could show your stuff and how I would redo and rebuild and repair your credit, other people can utilize those same strategies in creating their own action plan based on what I talk about with your credit report. Does that make sense? And so that's the best thing that I can do to help all of you moving forward when it comes to credit is to do these free YouTube credit audits, because I can't imagine any other way I can help you. Again, I don't do any personal credit repair. I do recommend an online AI-based software that you can find at creditrepairthatworks.com. Again, creditrepairthatworks.com. Otherwise, I can offer you this free audit, and it's free as long as you're willing to allow me to utilize your credit report in a YouTube video that I could share with other people just like you who are in the same boat, who really need to fix and repair your credit as fast as humanly possible, and to ideally start rebuilding that credit as fast as possible so you can get up to a 740, 750 mid-FICO score, so that you can get the car that you want, the house that you want, maybe the job that you want. All of these things you're being held back from because your credit sucks. So it's time to start fixing your credit ASAP, like yesterday. And I'm going to start sharing with you exactly how all of you can start to implement these personal one-on-one action plans that all of you can start to use to fix your own credit moving forward. This is what I'd like to do. All right. So if you want a 100% free credit audit, go to this website or go to the description box below. Follow the very simple instructions, and I will start launching these YouTube videos starting next week. So obviously, the faster you can get me that PDF of your full credit report, the better. And I will be doing these first come, first serve. So that means that if you want to delay and wait, then obviously you're going to be last in line, and maybe I won't even get to your credit report at all. So the faster you are to this and getting me that PDF of your 3 credit reports together, I recommend you go to Experian.com. Get all 3 credit reports for 40 bucks. Download the PDF file and send it to me using the instructions at this website. Then I will be able to help you do an audit that will allow you to have what we call a personal action plan, so that you can fix and rebuild your credit in just the next couple of months. Like, how amazing would that be? And I feel honored to be able to serve you in this way. And I feel like moving forward, this is probably the best way I can help you guys and gals learn how to fix and rebuild your credit fast without just simply doing talking head videos about fixing your credit, because that gets boring, doesn't it? So let's stop doing that. Let's actually do real world credit report analysis and action plans so that I can actually help facilitate rebuilding your credit for you and being part of the journey and the process. So if you found that this video was helpful, give me the nice thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel. You definitely want to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to start doing these audits, these credit audits, every single week. So then that way you understand how to quickly fix and rebuild your credit like that. All right. So go ahead and click on this link, as well as, well, the link's going to be in the description box. Go to this website and get me your credit report so that I can audit you and I can offer you an action plan. So then that way you can fix your credit and everybody will be happy. All right. This is Monica Bean signing off, and I will see you in the credit audit videos.